Welcome back to FTx Academy. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your store pickup for global settings. Under the admin site, in Settings and General, we're going to go to Store Pickup. Under Store Pickup, you would enable the store pickup. You could also toggle on an option to display Coming Soon. There's also a field that you can type information to give to the consumer when they select the store pickup option. The next section is the customer identification during pickup. The confirmation code required to be checked on will enable a 4-digit confirmation code to be sent to the consumer during the order fulfillment. This code would be required during the fulfillment process for the cashier or fulfillment personnel to enter in. Next is the Scan-in Driver's License or FTx Identity QR code being required. The next section is Slot Booking required. Slot booking will enable you to allow the consumers to choose a desired time to come pick up their order. Once slot booking is turned on, a new field, Allow Rescheduling, will appear. This will allow the consumer to reschedule their initial slot time. Next is Enable Tip option. With this turned on, 4 fields will appear, allowing you to predefine a tip suggestion for the consumer to add a tip to the order. In this section, you can set up a fixed fee amount that would be added to the order unless the minimum order amount configured here is reached. You can also have that include your gift card amount for the minimum orders. The next section is your slot closing days, hours, and minutes. This is the time from when a slot can be booked after your order is placed based on the current time. For instance, if we selected 2 hours and the current time is 9 a.m., then the consumer will have an earliest available slot at 11 a.m. And lastly is the pickup instructions. Pickup instructions are for when fulfilling the order, such as a reminder to have your license or order confirmation code ready when picking up. And that concludes the global store pickup settings.